previously on whatever show this is, I was showing you these things. The reason why I bought them, not so I can just eject them across the room. So, whoa, it's got a like cannon poof. I bought a Max Line vaulting. It's a Max Line M3810 used with 1/2-inch Max Line system, and well, I could use it. My intent is not to use it with a Max Line system. My intent is to use it on my wall. There's this aluminum block and these 4 parts. It's one of these things. In case you want to look it up, comes in a box. Basically, I'm assuming this goes on the back because for no reason of my own, I think you could possibly want to put this goes here. This, I'm assuming, would go on the front. I would assume this goes here, maybe? I don't know, Christ. And that goes there, and this is the line end. We'll just assume that. That's how it goes. Why am I want to do this? Well, instead of putting this right here, I want to stick one of these on here. But it's the wrong size, so I'm going to get an adapter. Or I can just put a little hose on it. But I want to put it on the wall. Yeah, what's this one? Put this like here. I want to put this on my wall over there and move my hose reel somewhere else. Possibly on the ceiling, because the hose reel is a pain in my ass. And I might run a line all the way around my garage, which, if I put it high enough up, should work. So I thought I'd just play around with it. It's actually made pretty funky. Like it's, you know, cheap little block of wood in there. So yeah, that goes in there. Basically just a block of aluminum. Just an aluminum block. Come to think of it, I bet you if I drilled a hole. I bet you if I had more skill and a bigger tap and die set, I could have just drilled a hole right here. How does this thing work? Makes you wonder, how the hell did they drill this? Like, clearly you can drill 4 holes, but it looks like they just drilled a hole straight through, drilled here, tapped it, and then drilled here. Don't understand why we'd have that there. I don't know. But yeah, it was like, I don't know, 30 bucks. So I'm gonna close this shut, screw this to my wall, like so, put one of these on here. Or I might just put it on like this, just for the hell of it. Just clamp it right in the wall. I don't know if it's better like this or like that. I don't know. But I guess this would be better because the water goes down. Moisture goes down. Down like Monica. Da, 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 da. That would go down. I'm guessing this would be an on-off. Why would that be on-off? That's weird. That would go to the next one. So the airline would come in here. Oh. Don't know. But anyway, I'll figure it out. Just talking out loud here. So yeah, that's my plan. Sticking to it. Anyway, that's it. Put an air. I want to put. I don't want to put many air hoses in. I just want to put probably. If I buy some, I have some PEX tubing. I should be able to. Which should. Does it say max line? I don't know the maximum pressure it takes. I have some PEX tubing. I want to run about maybe. I don't know. Probably one. I want to run one outside. That's crazy, and I want to put one outside the garage door. It's about 20 feet of hose. So that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, enjoy.